So first, you encounter our interactive checklist, which allows players to choose what demo they'd like to go through in the game. Now after completing the checklist, you can turn around to find our menu and select which demo you'd like to start with. Looks like you will go with the lab equipment, where you'll be able to choose the perfect lab outfit. First, you can choose your shoes. You'll be given helpful hints to get the best pair. Choices of sneakers, heels, no-soled shoes, and flip-flops. Whatever you select will be added to your inventory, and every time you want to change an item, click the black cube to the right. Now we'll move on to gloves. Goggles. And finally, attire. Although you can't see it, for the rest of the demo, these are the items that you will be wearing. Once you've completed the demo, return to the menu and try a new one.
Now you're back in the main lab, and as you can see, the button deactivated the previous demo. In this next demo, you will learn how to properly use a mass balance. This board describes in detail the objective of this scene, which is to measure the masses of items that would be safe to handle in a lab.
Now we will select waste disposal. Here again, we have a board explaining the waste guidelines in a lab. Now the games begin. Go through the lab and find the biohazardous vials. Does it go in the trash can? Nope. Find the biohazard can instead and properly dispose of the waste. The vials are pretty dispersed throughout the lab, so make sure you find all 5. In the bottom left, we can see one of our team members playing the game standing up. However, all the same activities can be completed sitting down as well. Ooh, looks like this last one is running away, but you've got this.
You decide on fire safety. Fire! These are the fire safety guidelines to follow in a lab. In real life, you should be leaving the lab already because of the severity of the fires. In this demo, however, please stay. Pick up the fire extinguisher and put out the 10 fires around the lab. You've done it! Be sure to follow the actual rules in real life. Now let's return to the main lab.
Now you've gone through all the demos. Let's have a look around the lab. Good job. You're now ready to work in a chem lab.